Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into the HTX Referral Program and how you can make the most of it. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about HTX. It's a leading cryptocurrency exchange known for its user-friendly interface and robust security features. But today we're focusing on their fantastic referral program. So, what exactly is the HTX Referral Program? It's a great way to earn extra rewards by sharing your love for HTX with friends and family. By using a referral code, both you and your referee can earn bonuses. It's a win-win. Here's how it works. To get started, you'll need a referral code. Lucky for you, we have one right here. tnhc9223. Just use this code when you sign up or share it with others, and you'll both start earning rewards. Let's go through the step-by-step process of using the referral code. Sign up on HTX. Go to the HTX website or app and click on Sign Up. Enter referral code. During the registration process, you'll see a field for a referral code. Enter tnhc9223. Complete registration. Fill in the required details and complete the registration. Start earning. Once your account is set up, you and your referee will start earning rewards as you trade. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Using the HTX referral code, tnhc9223, can give you access to exclusive bonuses. These can include trading fee discounts, bonus tokens, and even special promotions only available to referred users. Sometimes users might face issues while using the referral code. Here are some common problems and their solutions. Code not working. Ensure you've entered the code correctly without any spaces. No rewards. Make sure both you and your referee have completed the required steps, such as identity verification and initial deposit. To make the most out of the referral program, here are some expert tips. Share your code. Spread the word on social media, crypto forums, and among your friends. Stay active. Keep trading to maximize your rewards. The more active you are, the more bonuses you can earn. Engage with the community. Join HTX community events and promotions to learn about additional earning opportunities. To wrap it up, the HTX referral program is a fantastic way to boost your crypto journey. By using the referral code tnhc9223, you're setting yourself up for some great rewards. So, don't wait. Sign up today, share your code, and start earning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and tutorials. And don't forget to use the HTX referral code tnhc9223 to start earning your bonuses today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.